tell you guys, let's get rich now. Let's get rich now. Let's get successful in every area of our life. Okay, forgive me for dressing like this. Okay, so this is a segment starting of the videos, a series of videos on rebranding myself, my appearance. Because y'all know one day I want to be married. So in order to do that, I gotta stop coming out the house looking like this. So if I'm just going to the store, I might have this on my head. Then I'm not the only one, so don't y'all even start. I am not the only one. And I might just, just throw anything, run to the corner store and grab something. And you never know. That one day that you go to that corner store, Mr. Right might be there. Your soulmate might be there and be like, ooh, she pretty, but ooh, So I'm going into the store. Give them a picture of the store. This is the store I'm going in. I am going to go and get a divider, a room divider. Because I'm going to start doing videos of myself, and I'm going to, the clothes that's already in my closet, I'm going to go through the different outfits, and I'm going to get you guys' opinions. Say, what do you think about this outfit? Should I keep it or should I not? And the ones that are not, they're going to go to Goodwill. The ones that I keep, boom. And then once I clear my closet out of things that I can't wear, I'm not gonna wear. But right now, I'm not at the weight that I want to be. But we're doing those weight loss videos. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take videos in the clothes that I can fit now. And what looks good on me stays, what don't has to go. And then as I lose weight, then I'm going to go to the different clothes that I have that I can fit until I get to all the ones that I can't fit, get rid of them, and so rebrand myself. Not just the way I dress, but also, my total appearance. Because dressing like this, right now I don't even have on a bra, so the girls are laying down. You know what I'm saying? So now you guys, I'm about to look good, y'all. Because all I want to do is win, y'all. Woo! 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 Yeah! I ain't gonna do no video on how to dance, y'all, but it's a workout, though. Okay, y'all, let's get rich, let's get wealthy, let's change our life, rebrand ourselves, and be better than yesterday and better than we've ever been in our life. Because it's time to be successful. It's time to be, my God, successful in every area of our life. Come on, you guys, we're going to go and get this room divided, and we're going to get started.